Hi guys, welcome back to Awida's Kitchen. Well, today I'll be making some curry turkey neck. And I know a lot of people don't like turkey neck because it tends to have a raw smell at times. But all you need to do is just clean it up properly. And what I do, I always clean around the turkey neck and make sure that it's cleaned properly. And there's something inside here that you have to use a pointed thing to just take it out. I use a matchstick, so you have to just clean it properly. So right here I'm gonna start now by seasoning my meat, and I'm gonna use some chicken season, all-purpose black pepper, special jerk, garlic powder, and some salt for now. And I'm going to also add in my meat like my Irish, my carrot, and my sweet pepper and my pepper. And I'm going to use some curry, but I'm not going to put it on the meat. No, I'm going to burn it whenever I start my cooking process. So guys, I'm here by myself today, so bear with me with my videoing, okay? So I'm going to start now by adding my seasoning. So I'm going to add my seasoning on my meat. So I had my seasoning, so I'm gonna also add my green seasoning. I forgot to tell you guys. I'm gonna add some green seasoning. And I'm going to let this marinate for maybe like half an hour until I'm ready to cook. Okay guys? So I'm gonna rub it up now. Rub it up properly. Alright guys, and then I'm going to cover this and let it marinate. Okay? So guys, here I have my oil that has been heated. So I'm going to add some garlic. Yes, and then I'm going to also add my curry at the same time. I'm burning my curry. So I'm gonna add my meat now. Oh God, oh, I'm gonna do this now. I'm just gonna add my meat. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cover this for a minute. So guys, I'm going to check on my meat. Okay, this is how it looks after a couple minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it to start frying up, because I like when my curry like fry up first before I add any water to it. So I'm going to leave it now and make it start do its thing, and then whenever time I come back, I'm going to start adding my water. Okay guys, I could use the pressure cooker, you know, but I just plan to do it this way today. So guys, this is what I was waiting for. Alright, so I'm going to add my water now. Okay. And I'm going to allow this to go and cook. Guys, if you ever smell this, it smells real good. And let me tell you something. You see, once turkey neck cooked the right way, especially when you curry it, you don't miss out on curry goat. Right? You don't miss out on curry goat. If you even brown stew it, you don't miss out on oxtail once you cook it the right way. Once you follow me and cook it, you're not going to be sorry. So guys, this is my curry turkey neck, still cooking. So I just wanted you guys to see how it look. It have a nice color. Yes. Just gonna leave it because I don't plan to pressure it. So guys, I'm gonna add in my season now because my turkey neck is partially cooked. So I'm gonna add in seasoning, my Irish and my carrot and my sweet pepper, and also my scotch bonnet. You don't have to burst the pepper, you know. Yes. Right. I'm gonna also add some more green seasoning because you know this thing take a lot of water for it to cook. So you know, say almost all I taste the seasoning, you know, kind of boil out. So put some more in there. So I'm now going to allow this now to just cook down, right? And then I'm going to check in back with you guys. So guys, my turkey neck finished cook. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to plate it for you guys to see how beautiful and tasty this looks. So guys, here is my finished curry turkey neck. And I'm serving it with some white rice and some green bananas. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.